Today we're going to show you how to change a 9-volt battery on a Schlage keypad deadbolt lock. Got to get a 9-volt battery and one of these things. I want to put it in reverse. We're just going to go ahead and take these screws out. Now we should only have to take out these 2 screws. We should be able to go ahead and put that battery right in there. Bam. All right, let's set that stuff down. Okay, let's look. Cha-ching, there's the battery right there. Now all we have to do is pop that one out and put the new one in. So let's get a little closer on it. Get a little closer so you guys can see. So anyway, all I'm going to do is just kind of pop this out of here. If you look at it, you're going to see it's not hard to figure out where it goes. Male goes there, female there. So let's just set that one down. And then let's just go ahead and put this one in. Just like that. Got to get it in there. There we go. And then we're going to set it back in there like that. Hopefully. If it'll stay. All right, so this thing is giving us a pain in the ass. So let's put it in like this. See if it'll stay. If it's in this position, it's off. And then you would have to have the key, your thingamabob this way. Put this in unlocked position. Get it on there. And then let's get one screw in. Okay, that's one screw. Get the other one in. All right, here we go. And we're in forward. There we go. All right, we're on. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. All right, I think we did it. Hopefully. Now we just got to check it outside, don't we? We're going to go outside and try it. So here we are. We're locked out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press in a 4-digit code that I know. And you guys don't get to see it, of course. So you guys just relax there. All right, I did the code. Turn it. Bam, we're good. Shut it. I close it. Now some of them you just press this. If it turns blue, then you got to put the code in, all right? So we got to put the code in. You don't get to see. I'm putting in the 4-digit code. And that turns yellow, and then we can lock it. And then it's locked. Bam, done. To unlock it, I put the code in again. Turns yellow, turn it, and we're good. And that's how it works. So I'll give you an idea. Like I'm going to go ahead and put a code in there, right? I forget what it is. So I'm going to put the code in. And then look, that locks it. That unlocks it. So right now I can lock it. Now it's locked. Now I got to put the code in again out here to be able to put this back. Because if you look, it's free spinning, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put the code in. If I can, I'm doing it like with Braille, right? Here we go. Okay, so that's that. Then we shut it, and I can lock it again. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now it spins. Nobody can get in. All right, that's it. That's how you do it.